Hi guys, how can you create a perfect optical snooth effect in Photoshop? First, press Ctrl plus J to create a duplicate copy of your image. Next, go to Select Subject. Once the subject is selected, press Ctrl plus C to copy it. Then press Ctrl plus V to paste it. It will automatically add into a new layer. Now create a new blank layer. Make sure this new layer is selected, and mouse arrow is select on bottom layer. Then hold Ctrl to load the selection. Select the gradient tool, set the foreground color to black, and drag a gradient inside the selection to create a black shadow. Rename this layer as Black Shadow. Now press Ctrl plus D to deselect. Next, go to Filter Blur Gaussian Blur and set the radius to 10 pixels. Drag that layer 2 to the top. Select Shadow Layer. Press Ctrl plus T to adjust the shadow. Move and position it. Now create another new blank layer and rename it as Snooth Effect. Now drag the layer to the top. Select the elliptical marquee tool. Hold the Shift key to draw a perfect circle or create a freehand ellipse if you prefer. Right-click inside the selection and choose Inverse. Right-click again and choose Feather. Then set the feather radius to 20 pixels. Select the Gradient tool. Make sure the gradient color is black, and apply the gradient to create a soft lighting effect. Press Ctrl plus D to deselect. Reduce the opacity of the Snooth Effect layer to around 87%. If there are unwanted shadow areas, select the Black Shadow layer. Choose the Brush tool with a soft round brush around 149 pixels. With foreground color white. Now remove the unwanted shadow at the bottom. Finally, reduce the opacity of the Black Shadow layer to around 80%. Hold the Shift key, select all the effect layers, and press Ctrl plus G to group them. And that's it, before a normal image. After a clean image with a perfect optical snooth effect and realistic shadow light. That's how you can create a perfect snooth effect in Photoshop.